Welcome to the Daily Jing for November 20th, Wednesday. Let's look at the schedule. We're in the 13th week. This Wednesday of the 13th week, we're working on Epstein, and the peer reviews for the familiar essay are due this week. Let's take a look at the final exam rubric and assignment. If you click on this link, you'll see the rubric. This is what I'm interested in you doing. This is how to get full points for the rubric. Here's the assignment. Click on this link and you go to the assignment. It's due Wednesday December 11th by 11:55 a.m. That's when this final exam is due and when the portfolio is due also. So the final for the final exam assignment, go to Google Docs and find the one-page narrative, the description of place that you wrote at the beginning of the session. Rewrite this narrative, keep it into one page while using the techniques of creative nonfiction you have learned in the course. Okay, so read the rest of this. Make sure that you pay attention to all these things. You need both drafts in the same file loaded into D2L. Do not put them into the comment box. Upload them as a Word file, a docx file or an RTF file. Okay. Now the other thing that I want to show you is the final course portfolio. Click on this. So read these instructions here, and then, well, you should copy this page off into a Word document, and then read this instructions, and then delete these instructions, and then fill out the rest of it. Write a self-reflection, put in your peer reviews, and post your final draft of the familiar, your rough draft from your Google Docs, the one that we're working on now, and then your final draft here. Make it double spaced with the works cited page. This is single spaced. Okay, this is your rough draft from your Google Docs page. Just paste it in here and then put in your familiar essay draft here, your final draft, and then take this file and upload it into D2L. Okay, so that's all that's to it. If you have any questions, just let me know. Email me. We're starting Edmondson next week, and Edmondson will go for the Thanksgiving week and for the following week, and that will be all. Okay, so the question of the day is, where can I find the final exam rubric and assignment, and where can I find the final course portfolio template? You can find it here in Friday's box, and then I've repeated it here Monday the 2nd, and I've also repeated it here in the bottom for the 10th or the 11th. Okay, all right, thanks. Bye-bye.